Okay, so let us now proceed to rationalizing the denominators and numerators. Okay, so the purpose of rationalizing denominators or numerators or both is for simplification purposes. Okay, so if you want to remove the radical symbol from either the denominator or numerator or both. Okay, so let's start with the first example, 5 over 2 square root of 3. So how are we going to remove the radical symbol from the denominator? Okay, so you're going to do that by multiplying square root of 5 to square root of 3 over multiplied by square root of 3 over square root of 3. So this is like this is equal to 1, right? So this is like multiplying this into 1. Multiplying it to 1. Okay? So we will get 5 square root of 3. And then, if you take a look at the denominator, we will then get 2m square root of 3 squared, right? So, from the property of radicals, we have here a, and then nth root, and then n. This will be equal to a. So, it's the same thing here. So, our answer will be 5 square root of 3 over 2 times 3, which is 6. Okay, very awesome. Okay, let's proceed to the next one. So what will we do with this? How to remove this cube root? No? Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to multiply the cube root of 5 squared. 5 squared over cube root of 5 squared. So why is this? Okay, so why is this? So because it will be, this will be like multiplying from the property of radicals. This is like cube root of 5 times 5 squared, right? So this will be 5 cubed. So the cube root of 5 cubed is therefore 5. Okay, so this will then be equal to 2 times the cube root of 25 all over 5. Okay, so let's just remember the properties of radicals. Okay, so and then for this particular example, we have here 3 plus the square root of 7. So what's the technique here? We will multiply it by its conjugate. So the conjugate is simply minus square root of 7. Okay? So 3 minus square root of 7. Okay, so if you remember our product of polynomials, so for this particular example, we will get 2 times 3 minus square root of 7 over 3 squared, right? And then minus the square root of 7 squared. So what do we get? We will get 2 3 minus square root of 7 over 9 minus 7. Then we will get 2 3 minus square root of 7 square root of 7 divided by 2. So this will be 3 minus square root of 7. Okay, cancel this up. Okay, so for the last example, we have here 5 square root of 5 minus square root of 7 divided by 2. So how will we remove this radical symbol from the numerator? Okay, so we multiply it by square root of 5 plus square root of 7 all over square root of 5 plus square root of 7. So we will get, you will get here square root of 5 squared minus square root of 7 squared is equal to, this is supposed to be 7. So here 2 times square root of 5 plus square root of 7. And then we'll have here 5 minus 7 all over 2 times square root of 5 plus square root of 7. And then this is equal to negative 2 over 2 square root of 5 plus square root of 7. And then the final answer will be negative 1 all over, or let's just write the negative on the negative square root of 5 plus square root of 7. Okay, so that is our final answer. Okay, so thank you for watching.